Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is a full stack development. Full stack development refers to the end-to-end application software development, including the front end and the back end. The front end consists of the user interface, and the back end takes care of the business logic and application workflow. Main component of the full stack development are the front end and the back end, as well as the database. So in the full stack development, considered a retail website, user can browse or purchase specific item, delete or add item cart, change the profile and do many other things. All these action required a front end user interface, as well as some business logic written in the back end. In The website UI can be built using various front end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So the backend is written in programming. The backend written in a programming language like a Java or Python. Further, a good web application would need scalability, event handling, and routing. The which are usually handled by libraries and for framework like Spring Boot or Django. The backend also consists of the logic that can contain the application to other service and database. For example, all the users are transaction data in stored database through specific drivers handled to the backend. A full stack developer is one who can single-handedly implemented both front end and a back end. So front end and back end workflow, like placing the order of or changing the user profile. Demonstrating of a full stack development is an end-to-end workflow. What is full stack development are and what to do there. Full stack developer must be knowledge of the entire technology of stack, that is the set of technologies that are used to build an end-to-end application quickly and efficiently. For example, if they want to build a application using main stack, they should know how to work with the MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node. So full stack developer should to able to judge whatever the selected technologies are the choice or right choice for their project during the early phases. So some responsibilities for the full stack developer are following. So help in the choosing the right technologies for the project development, and testing both on the front end and the back end. So in a full stack development, write a clean uh, code across the stack by following the best practice for the tools used. Be up to date with the latest technologies and the tool to make it the best technology use get the decisions. So what is the languages do full stack developer use? So full stack developer are free to use any set of languages that are compatible with each other the workflow. Overall application framework, JavaScript, a popular language often by used to full stack developer. It is one of the very few languages that are can be used to both on the front end and back end. Companies will mostly like the hire to full stack developer for the smaller or medium size project. Some popular languages are front end uses the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and back end uses the Python, Java, Ruby, Node.js, PHP. It is also popular convince practice to use to full technology stack like a main stack, Ruby, Retail, LAMP for a faster, more efficient development and the earlier learning curve. So front end and back end versus front end. So application that required higher scalability and more complex workflow required board skill set and collaboration across team. For example, the front end may handled by the UI team and the back end by the another team. So it some organization individual will be required to the work on the both front end and back end. So back end implementation of the features. So this is where full stack developer would come into play. Thank you so much.